6.
So I'm just going to put that on here. I'm going to put 6 carbons just so I can keep track of the carbons. The energy in glucose is stored in the chemical bonds, right? And in particular, the bonds that are containing a lot of the energy are the bonds of things that are attached to the carbons, the hydrogens and the oxygens. And those bonds attached to the carbons are the energy that we want. And really what is in that covalent bond are electrons. So what we really want out of this are the electrons. So what I really want from glucose when I eat it, or what I really want from food when I eat it, are electrons. Because what process is going to give me the most ATP? The electron transport system. What do I need to provide it with? Electrons. So it's kind of logical. So this first process here is called glycolysis. Now I'm going to show you, like I told you before, glycolysis has 10 steps. Every step has an enzyme associated with it. When I took biochemistry class in college, we had to memorize the structures of every step. We had to memorize every enzyme that was associated with each step, right? And you will too if you take that class. If you take majors level biology, even here, like when I taught biology 1B or 1C or whatever, I mean, we would do that in addition, right? But it's a little bit beyond what we need to do for our purposes here. So when we take glycolysis, as the name implies, sweet splitting, or glycoglucose if you want, it literally means sugar or sweet. We split it. Lysis means to split. So we know that we're automatically going to get 2 things out of this. And each one of those things is going to have how many carbons? 3 carbons. So I'm going to get 2 things that have 3 carbons. So I got 6 carbons here. I have 6 carbons here. The 3 carbon containing compound that is produced from the breakdown of glucose here is called pyruvate. Now, you know the difference between this Do you know the difference between those 2 things? Ic acid, something ic acid, and something 8, Carlo? What's that? No, they're, this is which one's the base? This is the base. This is what we call the conjugate base of this acid. Now, acid